Diwali, a time we'd usually spend surrounded by family, laughter, and the sounds of home. But as immigrants, we feel the quiet a bit more deeply on days like this. Miles away, we find ourselves missing those simple moments we once took for granted. In our first home here in Canada, we are doing our best to bring that warmth and tradition into our space, just like our family taught us. Because even when we are far, these little things make us feel closer to home. Good morning, everyone. It's 6:30 a.m. on Diwali, and I am so excited to start the day. Even though it's a Thursday and I usually have to work, I decided to take the day off to celebrate. As I get ready, I can't help but think how special this day is, especially as an immigrant. It's a little bittersweet being away from family, but I am determined to make it special here. So while it's still dark outside in Calgary, I am lighting a candle to bring a bit of warmth into our home. Let's make this Diwali one to remember, even if we are miles away from family. I am making some Mathris this morning. My mother in law always made them during Diwali. There is something so comforting about those familiar flavors, don't you think? As I am making these Mathris, I am flooded with memories of my mom. So excited to make all the delicious treats and decorate our home for Diwali. As a kid, I remember watching her with wide eyes, thinking, one day I'll do the same. Then, after I got married, I saw my mother in law pouring her heart into the festivities, and it made me realize how beautiful it is to carry on these traditions. Now, as I stand here, I'm trying to create that same warmth and joy in our home. It's amazing how we have all grown up, but no matter where we are, those cherished moments and the spirit of Diwali stay with us, connecting us to our roots. Diwali was always my dad's favorite festival. His excitement was on another level, and he played such a big role in our celebrations, helping with cleaning, picking out decorations, and buying all kinds of sweets. I wish he could see me doing these things right now. One thing I'll never forget is how he always told me, no matter where you go after marriage, you must come home for Diwali. He loved my rangolis. And while I might not be a pro, every daughter knows that to her dad. She is the best. Life comes with its fair share of challenges and problems. But festivals like Diwali remind us to set those aside, even if it's just for a little while. They are designed to bring joy, light, and warmth into our lives, helping us forget our worries and embrace the love and connection we share with family and friends. Sometimes it feels unfair that the people we love the most can't stay with us forever. But I find comfort in knowing that wherever he is watching over me, proud of the traditions we are keeping alive. Now that my Mathris are done, I'm enjoying my coffee on the patio as the sun rises. I love this quiet time. It's a rare moment of peace, especially since getting up early feels tough on regular work days. After this, I'll dive into cleaning and decorating to make our home festive for Diwali. Cleaning our home for Diwali is more than just tidying up. It's a beautiful tradition that holds deep meaning. In many cultures, cleaning symbolizes the removal of negativity and the welcoming of positivity into our lives. It's a way to prepare for new beginnings and make space for prosperity in the coming year. In India, people believe that goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, visits homes during Diwali. A clean and tidy home is seen as a sign of respect, inviting her blessings. As we clean every nook and cranny, we are not just getting rid of dust, we are clearing out the old to make way for the new. New opportunities, new memories, and new joys. So, as I scrub the gas, wipe the mirrors, and clean the fridge, I am not just preparing for the festival, I am embracing the spirit of renewal and setting the stage for a joyful Diwali celebration. As I clean, I just want to take a moment to talk about my wonderful husband Tanuj. He is not just my partner in life, but also in all our projects, including our YouTube channel. We love creating content together, and it's such a joy to share our journey. Our home is a reflection of our shared dreams and experiences. Every corner holds a memory, whether it's the laughter we shared while decorating or the late night brainstorming sessions for our videos. I appreciate how he supports me, especially during moments like this. He always brings a sense of fun to our chores, making even cleaning feel like a collaborative adventure. It's amazing like how teamwork transforms what could be a mundane task into something meaningful and enjoyable. So while I scrub away, I'm grateful for him and the life we are building together. This Diwali, we are not just cleaning, we are creating a space that feels like home, filled with love, laughter, and shared traditions. I don't know if it's just me, but I truly believe the living room is the heart of the home. It's where I spend most of my time reading books, working on DIY projects, or watching TV. There's something so calming about this space. It's my little sanctuary where I can unwind and feel at peace. Whether it's curling up with a good book or enjoying a cozy movie night, the living room always brings a sense of comfort and warmth. It's amazing how a space can reflect so much of who we are and how we live. As I clean and decorate, I'm excited to make this area even more inviting for Diwali, creating a welcoming environment for us to celebrate and enjoy together. Being short can be a challenge when it comes to Diwali cleaning and decorating. I guess that's why I have a husband to help me reach those high spots. I have changed into my Diwali outfit. Nothing feels more like home than slipping into an Indian wear for the celebrations. Now it's time to light up our staircase, bringing that warm Diwali glow to every corner of our home. In Hindu tradition, Rangolis are said to welcome Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, into the home. The colorful patterns represent prosperity, positivity, and warmth, inviting good fortune and warding off negativity. There's also a belief that rangolis are meant to create a welcoming space for guests, whether human or divine. Each design, with its unique colors and shapes, is like an offering of gratitude and joy. It's a way of saying, our home is filled with warmth, happiness, and is open to blessings. So, when you are creating your rangoli, you are not just adding beauty, you are continuing a tradition of inviting blessings into your space. Lighting diyas during Diwali symbolizes the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. There is a beautiful story behind it. It's said that when Lord Ram returned to his kingdom of Ayodhya after 14 years in exile, the people welcomed him by lighting thousands of diyas to illuminate the way, celebrating his return and the triumph of good. Another reason we light diyas is to invite positive energy and drive away negativity. The warm glow of a diya is thought to purify the surroundings and create a welcoming space for peace and prosperity. Each diya we light is a reminder of hope, kindness, and the strength of goodness. And of course, what's Diwali without indulging in a spread of sweets and snacks? From the traditional treats to all our favorite munchies. This day is all about celebrating with food. It's the one time we don't hold back. After all, these flavors are part of the festival's joy. And that's our Diwali, bringing a bit of home to Canada. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy Diwali to all of you. Much love and light from us to you.